I'm Mark and welcome to Epicconfections. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. So I took a little week break because I just, needed a little break. And now I'm back and ready to make fucking epic cakes just for you. This week I was watching YouTube and I came across this really cool painting channel and I saw this cool technique that she did. I'll try to find that channel and link it below. So I wanted to recreate that on a cake. So today we're going to be making a colorful and gold abstract cake with a gold chocolate sail. Let's do it! Yo! So to start, I baked off 4 7-inch round cakes. I will link in the description the recipe for these cakes. I know some people were asking, so here you go. I'm just gonna level these out, fill them with a plain white American buttercream, stack them up, start decorating. Let's get this shizzle on the rizzle, shall we? Yes, look at how tall that is. Hope it doesn't fall over. That would be embarrassing. So I'm just putting a little bit of buttercream on my cake board so that it doesn't move when I'm decorating it. Plop it right in the middle there. Yeah! Yeah! See that? That's my new dance move. I'm trying to look at it. It's a very awkward space in this kitchen, So it's like, it's a little crooked here, but you can fix that with buttercream. That's the magic of buttercream. Just waiting for my water to fill up. So next, I just filled my cheater bag with some plain white buttercream. And I have some really hot water here and my spatula. And what do I always say, kids? Hot water is a decorator's best friend. So just starting at the top of the cake, trying to smooth it out as best as I can, nice and flat. Sometimes I turn my spatula on the side, hold it nice and steady and flat, and just kind of let that spatula do the work to take off that excess buttercream. See? So I'm just starting at the bottom of the cake, smoothing that buttercream out as best as I can, and I'm just moving up. So I'm really letting the turntable do the work for me and holding my spatula straight up and down. And I'm just bringing in that excess buttercream from the top right into the middle of the cake. Just cleaning up these edges here. Trying to make them as crisp as possible. Crisp. That's the word of the day. You have to use that in a sentence. Go use it now. Crisp. My underwear is crisp. That's gross. I apologize. The winter air is crisp. I'm going to pop this into the fridge for about 20-25 minutes, pull it back out, and then we're going to start painting this cake. Let's do it! So I just took my cake out of the fridge. Here I have some sponges. I just bought them from the dollar store. They're brand new. They're this size, but I just cut them into 3. So I have 6 all together. Then I have 6 different colors from Americolor. I have electric yellow, sky blue, electric green, terracotta, electric pink, and electric purple. Everything's electric. Shit. So I have 1 sponge for every color, and I'm just gonna go right ahead and just start sponging on some color randomly all over the cake, sides and on the top. Let's do it. So I'm really happy with the way the cake looks. I just stuck it into the freezer for about 10 minutes just to let that color just kind of get into that buttercream. Then we're going to take it out and we're going to throw some parchment strips on it. I'll show you what to do. But let me clean up my ship first. 1 second. So I just took the cake out of the freezer. In the meantime, I cut up some strips of parchment paper. And I'm just going to go ahead and randomly put them on the cake. Any which way, really. Doesn't matter. I'm going to do a whole bunch of different sizes. Let's put this one here. So you can see, I don't know if you can see on camera, but it's very random, very abstract. Have fun with it. Do whatever you want. Yeah. So while my cake is chilling in the freezer, I'm going to take a little bit of gold luster dust and mix it with some vodka and make a really thick paste, because then we're going to paint this entire cake gold. Beautiful. Look at that. So gold. Let's start painting this cake. Oh yeah, I forgot about the gold sail. So before we start painting the cake, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how to make a gold chocolate sail. So I have 2 pieces of parchment paper here. Just going to crinkle it up. Lightly crinkle it up. And just place it on the table. Do the exact same thing for your other piece. And just place it on the table. Have a little bit of chocolate here. Just a little bit. I'm going to pour it right onto my parchment. You do want this relatively thick so that it doesn't crack. Just using a little spoon, just kind of spreading it out. Yes. Now I'm going to place that other piece of parchment right on top of it and just gingerly press down. And I'm going to leave it on the table till it hardens just a little bit. And you do want to try to find something with a little curve, because we're going to be placing this on top and letting it dry so that it has that really nice curve. And when we turn it upside down, boom, you have a little chocolate fun thing that we're going to paint. So I just pulled the chocolate sail out. I did put it on a little piece of cardboard and then into the freezer. And gingerly, I'm just going to start pulling up my top parchment paper and then just slowly start taking the bottom. And there you have it. Just going to trim up some of these little edges here. Yes. And for this paint job, I'm actually going to do it nice and rough, so that you can still see some of the chocolate underneath that gold. Beautiful. Just gonna stick this cake into the freezer for 10 minutes. So I'm just starting to peel off these strips of parchment. Keep a sharp knife handy so that you can kind of pull these to your liking. So next I have some of this beautiful shiny gold ribbon. And I'm just going to put that all around the base of the cake. So here it is, guys. Here is the abstract, colorful, gold chocolate sail cake. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video, and I will see all of y'all next week. Mwah! I love it. It's fabulous. Look at it. It's like gay pride all in a cake. Yes. Good.